Alright friends, today we're going to be drawing Edna Mode.
Yeah, from Incredibles 2. You excited?
Yes.
I hope you guys are too. You're going to follow along with us. You need a marker, some paper, and something
to color with.
Something to color with. All right, you ready to get started?
Yes.
Our first step is we're going to start by drawing Edna's nose right in the middle of our paper. We're going to draw an upside down U. We're going to go like this. And it kind of looks like it's going to touch at the bottom. Connect. Yeah. Now we're going to draw our nostrils, and then we're going to draw two ovals.
Looks like a pig.
Yeah, she kind of has her nose stuck up in the air. So we're going to draw her glasses next. We're going to draw two circles. First, we're going to draw the right. So this is for her glasses. We're going to draw a big circle that comes around like this and then connects. And we're trying to draw it so that it looks like it's overlapping behind the glasses. Then we're going to draw another one right next to it on the left side. There we go. We want them to be about the same size. And then we're going to draw two more circles, but smaller inside each of the first ones we drew. And we're going to draw them right next to, we're drawing the rim of her glasses. So go all the way around. Stay right next to the outside. We'll do the same thing over here. It's kind of tricky, but it's fun to practice, isn't it?
Yeah.
There we go. It already looks like her.
Yes.
Now we're going to draw this small little curve that connects the two sides of her glasses. Now let's draw our eyes. So halfway in the middle of each circle, we're going to draw a line. This is for the top of her eyes. We're going to draw one over here also. Then we're going to draw our pupil. We're going to draw a circle that's overlapping behind her eyelid. So the top of her eye, we're going to draw a circle, comes around like this, and then connects. We'll do the same thing over here. Now inside of each of her pupils, let's draw a smaller circle for the highlight. So her eyes look shiny, and then we can color in. Yeah, we can. It's okay. When you color it in, you can make it a little smaller. There you go. So we're just going to color in the big circle, and then leave the little circle white. Yeah, perfect. And then same thing on the right side. Okay, now we're going to draw the outside of her eye. We're going to draw the colored part for the iris. We're going to draw another half circle that goes all the way around the pupil. We're going to be right next to it. She looks awesome. Okay, now let's draw her bangs that are hanging down right above her eyes. So we're going to draw another line that goes right across, and we're going to imagine it going behind her glasses, coming out through the middle, and then going through the right side of her glasses. Now let's draw her smile. We're going to draw her happy, even though she wasn't happy all the time. She was a little cranky sometimes. And I drew two cheek lines also. Now we could draw her face, or the shape of her head. We're going to start right here, and we're going to come down for her cheek. And this is a little tricky. We're going to come in, and then right in the middle, we're going to draw her neck coming down.
Looks like a funnel.
Yeah, it does. When we draw the other side, it's going to look exactly like a funnel. So we're going to do the same thing over here. Draw her cheek, comes down, and then in, and down further for her neck. All right, now we can draw her hair. We're going to draw a big rainbow line that goes over the top of her head. So we're going to start, if we were to draw a line that goes straight out from her neck, we're going to draw a little higher, and we're going to draw this big rainbow line. Watch this. We're going to start here, and it's kind of curved on the outside. We're going to go up over her head, around, and then back down on the other side. It totally looks like her. I love it. Awesome. Now, right here, we're going to connect it into her neck. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And we want to connect into the same spot. So it looks like it's going behind her neck. All right, now we can start her body. Let's connect her neck. We'll connect the two lines that come down. And then we're going to draw her body. So we're going to draw two lines that come out for her. It kind of looks like she's wearing a dress. Yes. And then let's connect the bottom. Now let's draw. Now she had this red detail around her neck. So let's draw a V. Comes down, back up. Then we're going to draw a bigger V that goes below it. So we're going to draw another V right below that first one. Yes. Now let's draw her legs. We're going to draw 2 long V's. We're going to draw really long V's for her legs. And then down at the bottom, let's draw her feet. We're going to draw an oval that comes out and then connects back in. We'll do the same thing but pointed the other direction for her other foot. That's a pretty simple way to draw legs and feet.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Now let's draw her arms, and we're going to draw them bent and resting on our hips. So we're going to draw a sideways V coming out like this and then back in right where her hips would be. Let's repeat that same step on the right side. Go out, and we want it to be the same size, and then back in. And then we're going to draw smaller V's. Watch this though. We're going to start kind of far away on the top part, and then down at the bottom we're going to get a little closer. That's a little tricky. Good job. Now let's do the same thing over here. Now right at the end, let's add a small line on her wrists to separate her arms from her hands. We did it, dude. You did a great job on drawing Edna. Now she's going to look a lot better once we color her.
Yeah.
And a lot of it is going to be black. But at the very end, we're going to show you guys how we used a white colored pencil to add some highlights. You can also pause it at the end to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Now, it's okay that our drawings look different. They don't look exactly the same, right?
Yeah.
Yours is a little taller, which I like, and I love how tall your neck is. Looks like she's really holding her head up high. Yours is my favorite. And it's okay that they look different, and it's okay that our art friends' drawings look different. In fact, they probably look different, right?
Yes.
It's impossible for them to draw it exactly how we drew it.
Yeah.
But the most important thing is
To have fun.
to have fun
And to practice.
to practice. I promise the second time you draw Edna, she'll turn out even better than the first time. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.